Yeah, try to get out that bird. Oh god! Oh no! Sorry. Dumb bird. Get out of there! Dumb bitch. I don't know if it's a boy or not. Well, no, it's a girl because it's got less colors in the feathers. You know how to tell the difference from a bird? Comment.
The boys are awesomer.
Yes, yes they are. No, well their colors are, but...
Yeah.
Dude, there's a bird on TV. BRB. Be right back. Dude, this thing's so stupid. I got your tail butter! Dumb bitch. I don't want it to bite my toe.
Why?
I don't know, Freddy, you tell me. Hey, Gizmo, you gotta come and meet the birdie. Poor bird. Nope. Too lazy. Where'd Pixie go? Did you stuff it? Bird.
I want to see the bird.
Ah! It got my damn foot!
Oh, look at
It's Timmy.
Timmy. You're so nice, huh?
Stuck in nothing, like I'm gonna fucking kill you. This snail's stuck. Ah! Don't bite me.
He can't bite you.
Ah! Freddy, don't do that.
Why? Play epic or jump.
So mean.
He's
Oh well.
dancing.
He's dancing. That's funny. That's fucking funny.
Too bad I have like green screen, and then it would just look like he's dancing.
That would be so awesome.
Yeah.
No, don't do it. Don't do it. No, because he'll fly.
Loves me.
Dude, don't take it out. It took forever to catch this bitch. Just kidding. It hit the damn door, so I picked it up. If that thing keeps on, if that thing starts flying, I'm gonna freak. Oh fuck!
Hi.
I caught this bird outside, but Freddy's playing with it.
Come here. He's like, yeah.
You will bite your finger.
Gonna bite me?
I would laugh so hard if he bit you.
I have you for breakfast.
We have to make sure.
Tomorrow.
We have to make sure the cats don't know I have it.
He's like,
I know. He's all like, I'm so scared. I'm gonna die. Let me see the birdie. Pointed to the camera. Too close. Too close. Now too far. Right there. Get the birdie. Gonna eat you. Yeah. This is gonna go on Facebook. Gonna eat you. It's gonna eat you. Ah! Don't make it bite me. No. Not cool. Ah! Stop it!
hey, Timmy.
Timmy birdie. You should let the dogs outside. He's not even gonna bite you. Okay, you
Holy crap! You almost tried to kill him.
Okay. Okay, let him down. Some bird.
What up? Come on, Gizmo.
You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. I got you. You might die. You're not gonna die. You're not gonna die! Fuck. Get down. This is for surely a live bird. Facebook better believe it. Because I caught this bird. From outside. Yeah. I'm Catwoman. And Dylan, if you see this video, it's funny, okay? Okay.
So scared of him?
No. See? No! Okay, it pinched me.
Aww.
He's gonna bite you.
No,
Dude, not cool. Dude, okay, did you got it?
No, Pinchy.
Is Pixie inside?
No, or she's just on a chain.
Birds are flipping stronger than hell. Well, strong at least.
Yeah, with their feet.
Can't they punch her through skin?
No?
No? No, that's only like eagles and stuff like that.
Timmy is so cute.
Pet him like a chihuahua. Dude.
I love the bird.
Okay, this is so funny. Okay, I'm gonna go grab the cat carrier. We'll put him in that.